If you have tools such as scissors that are looking dull and rusted up, then try this method to get them cleaned within 5 minutes. Now previously I did dip them in vinegar alone for 12 hours and gave it a scrub. Still there was rust settled on the blades, just wasn't happy with the results. So out of the blue I thought, let's drop in some oxy powder. All of a sudden the whole mixture erupted like a volcano all over my windowsill. So I dipped in the scissors and left them in there for a few minutes. As you can see how the oxy powder is working along with the vinegar, creating that powerful cleaning solution. Took the rusted old scissors out and I was amazed by the results. Not a rust in sight. Give it a slight scrub and clean off with soapy water. Tap dry, and look at that guys, so much better than before. It even cleaned off the bolt and nut too. Spray some WD-40 and you're done. If you want that extra shine looking as brand new, then use a polisher. So if you have rusty old tools, try this method. All it takes is vinegar, oxy powder and 5 minutes of your time. Take care, peace.